Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding my shotgun. Here it is. I wasn't going for any particular model, but I guess it's like a Mossberg maybe, something like that. So yeah, and also please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So here it is. So first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to fold a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half, like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this. And again, like so, okay? So do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, and finally, like so. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this up like a fan. So you see all the crease line right here? You wanna just follow all those crease line and fold them all up. Like so. Okay, that's a fan. And now you're gonna do the same thing going the other direction, but you're gonna leave 2 columns on the side, okay, for the front. So make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, see? And this time you're gonna fold, you're going to be leaving 2 columns on both sides. So gonna start out with that first crease line, of course, and you're gonna fold it down like that. Then fold up the corners. Okay, then fold the second crease line right there. Okay, just fold that, then fold up the corners like so. And now those 2 squares, you see, those are 2 corners. So you just have to fold that down like so. Okay. And now for the back, you're gonna leave 2 columns on the bottom. So you see right here, the first one, the second one. Then you're gonna just go all the way down from here, okay? So hold right here. So leave 2 columns. So this is gonna be the stock, okay? And this is gonna be the side saddle. So fold that first crease line right here. And fold up the corners. Okay, remember. And now fold that second crease line right here. See, right there. And fold the corners. Then you see those 2 squares. Those are 2 corners. So you just have to fold that down like so. Okay, and now we're going to fold this in half. Okay, make sure the edge is facing towards you. Okay, so the shorter side should be away from you and the longer side should be towards you. And fold that in half. Okay, and you see where this fork is, this break, and you see that two crease line right there. You're going to fold right there. Okay, so this is where the fork is, crease line, and that second crease line right there for the stock. Okay, fold it down, and you see where that crease line is, where the stock starts, and you see that second crease line on the bottom. Bring that to that first crease line. Okay, okay, and now take that first piece right there and fold right around here, or there should be a crease line right there, right around there, and fold that down like so. And then bring, if you look in the back side, bring this corner up, okay, or fold it off to the side like so. Okay, and now you see this longer piece, fold it right off to the side. Okay, leaning against this edge right here. Fold that down. And this should be on the left side, of course. Okay, and make a little fan here for the side saddle. Okay, so zigzag fold as much as you can, maybe about 3 times or so. And put it right off to the side. And now you want to take this bottom piece right here and fold it all the way back. And then you see where the fork is, and you see that crease line right there. You want to fold that crease line to this crease line where this piece begins. Okay, so you see the square, you want to fold that in half. Okay, and now you see this square right here. So there's a square in the front and the second square right there. You want to fold that in half to make the pump. Okay, then you want to fold that first crease line to this middle edge right here, this crease line. Okay, Then you see right here, you want to fold that edge down to the bottom, okay? Okay, and same thing here. So this edge, and you want to fold that down to the bottom, okay? Okay, and now you want to zigzag fold the barrel. So you want to fold that in half, okay? Like so, and you can move the pump out of the way for a bit. Then you wanna zigzag fold the top side back up, okay? Like so. Okay, and put this back up. So here's my origami shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.